just don't know if the audio is going to be as good.
Yeah, I can talk about it.
Okay, go.
I'm Danny, and this is Mike, Walker, and Granger. We lived full-time in our scout camper for over 2 years, traveling up to Prudhoe Bay, Alaska, and all the way down through Mexico and into Guatemala. Fast forward to today, we've paused our great Pan-American adventure to come back to the States and open our very own scout dealership in Yellow Springs, Ohio. We hope you enjoy the remaining videos we have from our time on the road, and new content coming soon about our business, Nook Overland.
Last night was our first night in Guatemala, and we stayed in this nice little eco campground in Chichicastenango. The town names here are very interestingly named, and I think it'll take a little bit of practice to get them down, but we had a great first night. We were in like a little wooded area with lots of pine trees, and the folks who ran the campground were very, very nice, and it was just a really nice first day in Guatemala.
We are leaving the town we stayed in last night and heading down to Lake Atitlán, which is somewhere we've been very excited about going to. Probably 4 years ago, we were looking at flying to Guatemala and spending a week at the lake. I don't remember why we didn't end up doing that, but for some reason that trip didn't work out. So we're excited to be finally getting there. We're going to spend probably almost a whole week at the lake, and we'll explore via boats to go around to all the different little towns. And yeah, we're just really excited about finally making it to the lake.
Yes, it's a very beautiful lake surrounded by volcanoes. The only concern is that the roads are very steep, and it might be a bit tricky or impossible for me to walk around in the towns. But there are lots of tuk-tuks and the boat taxis and things, so we'll figure out how to get around.
There's a marker.
Yeah, go left.
This isn't the one way, right?
I don't know.
Did I just run a light?
I don't know.
Nobody's honking yet, like I'm doing the wrong thing. Oh no, it's two-way.
Okay, that's good. We're trying to drive through this town, which has very steep streets, and the route we were supposed to take was blocked by an open market, and so then we took an unplanned turn, and then we weren't sure if we were on a one-way street going the wrong way, but it all worked out. We were on a two-way street, and I think we are making our way out of this town.
We made it down to the lake. It is quite a steep downhill to get to the lake, and people always say that it's a brake burner and, you know, really hard on your brakes. I didn't feel like it was that bad, or I didn't really notice until getting down here, we stopped and our brakes were definitely smoking. So all of the weights for balancing the tires on the front tires look like they've melted off their adhesive and have fallen off. So that's no fun. But we've made it. It's absolutely beautiful. We're gonna stay in this campsite for at least 2 nights. It's a little bit expensive. They're $175 for us to camp, and then another 100 Q for Granger.
I'm so excited to be here, but I am also very tired right now and can't wait to just get parked and hop into bed.
Danny's gonna rest in the camper. So Granger and I are heading into town to try to find a place to drop off our laundry and just explore for a little bit. Dropped off the laundry. It'll be ready for pickup in less than 24 hours. That's one of the best things about traveling so far through Mexico and now Central America, is the laundry is just so cheap to have done and folded that there's really no point in you doing it yourself. So it's pretty nice.
The town we're camping in is called Panajachel, and one advantage to it being such a popular tourist spot is the variety of international cuisine. We very happily indulged in some Indian and Thai food during our stay. The beauty of Lake Atitlán is undeniable. There's a reason why people from all over the world flock to its banks. It is interesting to see the blend of heavy tourism alongside a vibrant and local indigenous community. We're pretty excited to explore more of the communities around this lake.